Hey, South Carolina's Math and History, and we're gonna be taking a look at inputs and outputs. So, after understanding what this video is, this video will help you understand the next videos that have to do with slopes. This is an introduction of slopes because when you're in pre-algebra or algebra, you might see equations that look like this. But if you want to find the answer to this, it's actually unsolvable because that x there is still remaining. What we can do is insert something in for x to get our answer for y. Y is going to equal this stuff plus that stuff. Well, what is this equation? This equation can be graphed on a graph, and you'll see a line striking through that graph. This equation can represent a slope. And if you insert something into x, y is going to equal 2 multiplied by what you want. Add that by 3. We can experiment this by looking at a ratio table that has x and y on it. The reason why we use x and y in our graph and in our equations is because they represent what the point is on a graph. And when we insert a number of details into x and y, we'll be able to get coordinates on that graph to make a line, and we get a slope. So let's start experimenting. X is what we can be creative with. You can insert any number you want into the x variable. Then, when you do the math and add that in, you get your answer as y. That is why we call that the input. This is what you'll be putting in for x. So let's try putting in 1. So if we insert 1 into x, that is saying y is going to equal 2 multiplied by 1, add that by 3. So 2 times 1 is going to be 2 plus 3. Our output, or our answer, is going to represent 5. That's what y represents, the output, what your answer is after you use your variable. Inserting something to x and getting something for y is sort of like Minecraft, but with a crafting table. Like I have oak logs in here. If we put that in the crafting table, then we'll be able to get whatever this is. That is wooden planks. So I tap on it to make more and more. We input the oak wood and we get wooden planks. That is an example of an input and output. A crafting table in Minecraft. Let's add another example. So what if we have 4 into x? What will we get for y? What is our object that we have crafted? So if we put 4 into x, that equation is going to turn out as y equals 2 multiply that by 4, then add that by 3. 2 times 4 is going to be 8. And if we add that by 3, we'll get an answer of 11. Y equals 11. So, input is 4. Our result is going to be 11. Let's craft an iron ingot. We place the iron in the crafting table, and there we go. That's our output. Iron nuggets. To understand this is a straight slope, many math teachers might want you to have a third coordinate. So let's insert 5 in for x. That will become y is going to equal 2 multiplied by 5, add that by 3. And 2 times 5 is 10, plus 3, our answer is 13. Y is 13. So the input is 5, the output is 13. So yay! We have now gathered all the parts we need. Now we can put these on the graph and see what our slope looks like. So we have all the points that we need on the graph. And when we have the equation y equals 2x plus 3, all the dots on the graph are now on the line. And the line is the slope. And it keeps going on forever, forever and ever. But if we zoom in, we can see the dots on the graph, and it's also lining up with the line. So yes, we have now successfully made a slope. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching Tao Penalized Math Industry. Like and subscribe. And to end the video, I'm going to be telling you what my favorite Minecraft skin is. My favorite Minecraft skin is Emperor Taezong because not only I like math, but I like studying my heritage, and that's in China, so I like studying the history of it, and I'm really surprised that one of the emperors is a Minecraft skin.